Hello student friends, we come to packing in solid state in 3-dimensional, where we will be learning about SCC arrangement, hexagonal closed packing, that is called as HCP arrangement, cubic closed packing, which is also known as FCC arrangement. Whenever this topic is going on, give importance to coordination number and understanding voids. 3-dimensional arrangement, if you see, check. This is a 3-dimensional, it's a 2-dimensional. Now we are trying to place spheres above each other. If you place the spheres, how they can be placed? Now we have started 3-dimensional arrangement. Now always remember, whenever you talk about such type of arrangement, imagine infinite number of spheres in all the directions. Again, if you have forgotten, remember all these are metallic atoms, which we are considering them as a spheres, and they are of the same sizes for a given atom. Now such a type of arrangement is called as AA type of arrangement, right? Whenever we say such type of arrangement, we generally use 4 times the same letter. So A type of an arrangement, so that to avoid any type of a confusion. This is A type of an arrangement. Now if you check how it looks, the simplest one, if you have remembered the word brick and the wall, we have come to a brick, a small unit cell. A small unit cell will be made up of 8 spheres. Such a type of packing is called as square close packing. If you remember, square close packing, or you can say simple cubic close packing. Simple cubic close packing, where 8 spheres are making a small unit cell, if you remember. So simple cubic close packing. Now if you remember, this is brick. If you remember, unit cell is called as a brick, and this is called as space lattice. If you want to know, space lattice is nothing but for us wall. If this is wall, this is the brick, and brick for us is unit cell. And what is the name of unit cell? SCC. And the wall that you get is called as A type of an arrangement. So we say brick is SCC and wall is A type of a backing. This is what we understand. And if you remember, what is a gap inside? What is a gap inside called as? The gap inside is called as cubic void. The gap inside is called as cubic void. Gap inside is called as cubic void. Remember that. What is the coordination number for SCC or AA type of an arrangement? Whether you say SCC or AA type of arrangement, for us one and the same, because one of them is a unit cell and other is a space lattice. The coordination number for both of them will be same. If you try to find out coordination number, then if you take this as a desired sphere, it is in direct contact with how many spheres? It is in direct contact with how many spheres? It is in direct contact with 6 spheres. What is the coordination number? Coordination number in the previous case is 6. So we say, whether you say SCC or A type of an arrangement, coordination number is 6. This is the simplest possibility of a 3-dimensional arrangement, which will have coordination number of 6 and void present will be cubic void. Name SCC as a brick or a unit cell, and as a space lattice is known as A type of an arrangement. We go to another type of an arrangement, 3-dimensional arrangement. Now this is quite different, and if you remember, we have already learned under the 2-dimensional discussion. Now what if you remember, what is this type of an arrangement called as? Such a type of arrangement is called as AB type of an arrangement. AB type of an arrangement. What we have done is, we have taken out unit cell out of it. This is how it will look from the top, this is how it will look from sideway, And if you try to check, this type of an arrangement is called as which type of an arrangement? AB type of an arrangement. AB type of an arrangement. Now we come to AB type of arrangement, 3-dimensional. Now if you take out this layer, then it will look like this. This layer, it will look like this, and this layer will look like this. If you take this as a desired sphere, it is in direct contact with how many spheres? It is in direct contact with 6 spheres. It is in direct contact with 6 spheres in a layer. As in direct contact with 6 spheres in one layer. In one layer, 6 spheres. And it is in direct contact with how many spheres? 7, 8, 9, 3 above and 3 below. So, it is in direct contact with 12 spheres. So, this sphere is in direct contact with 12 spheres. Actually, any sphere, if you try to see in this AB arrangement, will be in direct contact with 12 spheres, 6 spheres in one layer, 3 above and 3 below. Such a type, you are able to see 6 in one layer, 3 above and 3 below. Then such a type of arrangement is called as AB type of an arrangement, and coordination number is 12. So, what is the name of unit cell? The name of unit cell is hexagonal close packing, and the space lattice is known as AB 3-dimensional packing. It's HCP, hexagonal close packing, where in the upper layer, one layer, how many spheres are present? Not spheres, 7 atoms are present, 1 center and 6 corners. And how many are present here? 3. We can call them as body center because they are inside the body. And this, in this layer, you can call this as first layer, you can call this as second layer, and this you can call it as a third layer. There are how many atoms again? 7 atoms. So, somebody wants to know lattice points. How many lattice points are present? Lattice points are 7, 7 and 3. 17 lattice points are present, making them an HCP. Hexagonal close packing is a name for it. Now, if you want to see, these are the two diagrams that we have drawn right to show. Now, this is new type ABC type of an arrangement, ABC type of an arrangement, ABC type of an arrangement. Now, if you see how this layer is arranged and this layer is arranged, it is different type. It is a different type. While if you see this layer and this layer, are you able to see the same type? This type of unpacking, the other side, this type of unpacking, the other type, this ABCA type of unpacking, this is AB type of unpacking, two different type of unpacking. We can remember this as above, if we call this as symbol since, and this middle layer like as if it is a flower, then this is therefore. So, we call it as like a since, flower and therefore. If you call this as since and the middle layer, this layer as flower, flower like, then this is also since. So, you can call it as since, flower, since. If you call this instead of since, somebody calls this as therefore, reverse therefore, somebody calls like this, then this also instead of since will be called as therefore. So, you can call it as since, flower, therefore, you can call it as since, flower, since, or you can call it as therefore, flower, therefore. Now, if you check, this is how it looks. Coordination number is 12. We have done it before. It is called as this type of an ABC A type of unpacking. This is mistake. ABCA type of packing is cubic close packing called as CCP, while the other one is called as AB packing. AB packing, and it is also called as hexagonal close packing. Here also coordination number is 12. So both of them have coordination number 12. So both of them are equally efficient. Remember, both of them are equally efficient, but they are different. Are you able to see this entire thing? It looks like since. This look like therefore. So we call it as since, flower, therefore. It looks like flower, as if there is a flower, right, arrangement. You remember how flowers, if you want to draw in school, it looks like this. So as if you are trying to show a flower. While this is since, this is flower, and this is again since. Are you understanding it? This type of an arrangement.